design for school UI design. So first video we saw this UI. In second video we saw this design for examination assignment, my attendance, and today we are going to see this exam result and holidays. I have made changes in dashboard, in examination, then holiday, fees, gallery, then profile. When in examination page, when we click on exam, we will see the result, this result, and this is holiday page. So before starting this video, I want to let you know that I have started a new channel for SQL tutorial. So you can go through it. I created first video yesterday. I hope it will be helpful for you. If you like this, then please subscribe this channel and and comment share your feedback in comment section. So let's start with the video. I will share this channel link in the description section, so you can take link from it for just a second. Okay. Uh, this this is the data grid. For this control, you have to install Nugget. So please install this Nugget Xamarin.form.data grid in all the projects, Android, iOS, and Windows, and main project. So I have given title exam result. Uh, in stack layout, I have taken stack layout because I have to add control in one by one, so I use stack layout. After that, the grid color is light gray. This is grid color, and header text color. And this is row height and header height. After that, this is added argument as list to caching strategy. It will reuse the cell if it is not uh, if it is empty or null, then it will reuse this cell. Means it will not take more memory. First, we will add columns. This is name, marks for out of this will be title, and this is property. Uh, Property means it will bind the data from the class. So give the name of the property of the class, and horizontal content alignment is equal to start, means it will start from left, and all are default. The default is middle. The palette collection is white color. If you add one more color, then it will repeat like if I add white and black, means here is white. If I add another line, another color for black, then your display will be white, black, white, black, white, black. If you use three color, then it will repeat three colors. After that, I have added grid. In this grid, all the labels are displayed. It is very simple. In holiday, it is look is very simple, but look is here simple. But I have used only one label, so you can see in one label. Uh, it is bold and color, and it is in different colors. So using one label, it is not possible. So there is a trick. I have used list view. List view in list view the template is label. Label I have formatted this label. This label you use format text in format text at formatted string. Under formatted string you can add span. In span you can format the way you want. I have formatted for example date. Then it is in blue color and bold. Then after dash hyphen. And after that name. And we close the formatted string. The class is very simple, name and date and assign only holiday value. Let's see the class for marks. I forget to show that. Yeah, this is just create a class for name marks required out of assign value. Uh, Here you can see that uh, all required is same and out of will be same. So I have assigned value here only. You don't have to assign in each line. You can assign here only by declare at the time of declaring. Means it is default value. Okay. And today's trick is that I will show you one tips for you. So if you want to create new property, you will write like this: public. You have to write like this, but I will show you new way. Just write crop and click tab. After clicking tab, you can see the you have to change only this property name. You don't have to write all this. Write crop and click tab. Okay. I hope you understand this video. In next video, we will see uh, fees, my profile, and gallery. So, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like and share this video to your friends, and please share me your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.